Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a Social Security password, which means setting up your personal online account. First, navigate to the official Social Security Administration website. Look for the Sign In or Create an Account button, usually found at the top right. To begin, ensure you have your Social Security number and a current email address readily available. Next, you will be prompted to choose a credential service provider, either Login, Gov, or ID.me. These are trusted partners that help secure your access to various government online services. If you already have an account with one of these, you can simply use your existing login. Otherwise, you will create a new credential. After selecting your provider, the crucial step of identity verification begins. You will need to provide personal details such as your full name, date of birth, and address. You will also answer security questions to confirm it's truly you. Then, create a strong password, at least 12 characters long, and set up two-factor authentication for enhanced security. Once your account is set up, you gain access to a wealth of services. You can view your Social Security statement, check your earnings record, and get benefit estimates. You can also track the status of any applications, update your address or direct deposit information, and even request replacement documents like a Social Security card. It's a convenient way to manage your Social Security information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.